In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger showing update app to keep calling error. So if you find that message, then what you can do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Messenger, and here you can see and check for updates. And instead of this open button, here you will find update button. Click on it. After that, your Messenger app will update. Once it's updated, you can simply open and then use it. And what else that you can do is go to settings, then scroll down below until you find apps. Click on apps, then go to app management. In the search bar, search for Messenger, then click on it. Here you will find storage uses. Click on it, then click on clear cache written in bright red. After that, you can simply try restarting your device. Press and hold on to your power button, then scroll it upward to restart your phone. Once it's restarted, you can try using Messenger. And if the error still persists, then what you can do is simply click and hold on to Messenger icon, then click on uninstall, confirm it, then go to Play Store and download the app again. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.